With my totally awesome 3D printer, I made this CineBack inspired mounting block here for my A7S III. And in this video, I will show you why this setup is so powerful. It makes you work very fast. So let's get to it. So let's back up a little bit. You probably know, if you've been following the channel, that I got myself a Sony ZV-E1 to be mounted on my gimbal at all times, basically, so I don't have to rig down my entire A7S III as my main camera. So after seeing the CineBack system, I started to think about my own A7S III here. And instead of having a cage where I mount all of the accessories on the camera itself, why not remove the cage so that the camera itself can be lighter and more portable and compact, and then quickly be able to release the camera from this setup and bring the camera over to, let's say, a gimbal. So let me show you how this works. I just remove the cables here. Let's see if I can do this without losing my framing here. So I just released the lever. So here you have it. Here is the camera by itself, just your basic Arca Swiss base plate, and I can mount it on my gimbal, and then I can go back quickly here, tighten the lever, and then hook up the cables, just like that. So let's have a closer look to this setup. So here with the lever, you have your basic Arca Swiss mount, and below that one, we have your small rig cheese plate. And on that cheese plate, I mounted this 3D printed mounting block. As you can see over here, that's all my prototypes. So I used quite a lot of plastic to get this shape correctly. And on the back here, I mounted a V-mount battery plate onto the mounting block. And on the other side here, you can see that I just put a lot of 1/4-inch holes here, so I can mount whatever I want to. Maybe I want to put a NATO speed rail here. And also I made this slot where I put my D-tap splitter. As you can see, this is my D-tap splitter that basically just slides down to this hole here. And on top here, I mounted a NATO rail, and then I put my handle with the screen, field monitor. So yeah, that's basically it. And I just love this setup. As I said before, it makes you go really fast between two different camera setups, and I just love that possibility. The drawback with this block here is that it is plastic, so you're gonna have to be a little bit careful with it. I mean, it's very sturdy because I printed it with lots of infill, so I don't think it's going to fail on me anytime soon. But these 1/4-inch holes here, these threads will probably wear out much quicker compared to, you know, aluminum threads. So it's really cool to see my A7S III like a mini FX6. Let's remove this from the tripod. It's honestly quite heavy. This block weighs quite a lot because it's massive, it's solid, but it's very sturdy. It doesn't move or become loose or something like that. Yeah, here on the bottom, we got 1/4-inch straight into the block, 4 of them. Let's put it back here. So let me know in the comment section if you are interested. Would you buy something like this, like a STL downloadable file, so you can print something like this on your own 3D printer? Let me know in the comment section. I'm thinking about making this available for a cheap price on my Gumroad profile. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!